Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty Guy. Uh, so today was the monthly expiry, the last monthly expiry for this financial year. It was quite a sideways expiry. So coming back to the plan that we had, so yesterday what we had planned was we'll long the markets above this high and we'll short the markets below this low. Now I'll give you a very important and good trade plan, the trading concept which is there. So please pay close attention to this particular concept. So when days like yesterday are there, wherein the market is in a continuous downtrend, forming lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, series of lower highs and lower lows, and then also gives the closing near day's low. Sometimes what it would happen on the next day is the market would open lower or flat, close to the last day's closing, invite fresh sellers, and then take a U-turn. Now, in today's scenario, if that would have been the case, I was looking around for that scenario. Uh, Say, for example, there would have been a uh, red colored candle over here given as a pullback, and then continuation, we would have planned the short trade that we would have traded the short trade that we had planned. But I'm giving an alternate trade setup which you can look for in markets, which usually happens when there is a good negative day with closing near day's low, and on the next day opening, uh, we see a bearish candle, and then the high of that candle being taken out immediately. Now, that what that means, price action wise, is uh, there are fresh people who would have entered the shorts over here, and once the market reverses, even their SLs are triggered, and that leads to a good rally. Now, nothing of that sort happened today. There was no evidence of any fresh shorters entering the market, and that is why we did not take that trade. Today was a complete no trading day for me. There was a lackluster day, no momentum in the markets except for this particular momentum at the start of the day. Even then, that was without any good conclusive price action for based on which you could have taken this trade. If you switch to a lower time frame, 1 minute, definitely you could have seen that. But today being monthly expiry, I avoided that. So, post this particular move, the market was in a completely sideways trend. I tried to plot some trend lines. I'll just show it to you for reference. What I always do is I remove all the live market trend lines that I draw, and I show it to them so that you know how do I actually plot them in the market. So now, as you guys must be knowing, I trade triangle breakouts and breakdowns quite seriously on Nifty. So this was something which I was observing in the market, that the prices are moving around in a forming a triangle consolidation pattern, and I was also paying close attention to the 20 to 3,600 call and put option open interest. So usually what happens on a monthly expiry is, in case if this would break convincingly on either side before 3 p.m., uh, around 2:30 to between 2:15 to 3 p.m., if you go and backtest monthly expiries, there's a one-sided move which might come. That depends on which side the open interest is higher. So 23,600 had good call shorts as well as put shorts. The OI was high on both sides. So either one breaking convincingly would have led to a move, big move on that side, and that is something which I was only interested in. Apart from that, there was no other trade that I was looking for, but the market did not give any convincing move till around late in the day. And as you guys know, post around 2:45, I avoid any kind of trading. So if you would see, it broke out of this range post that and then immediately came back. So it is best avoided. These such trades are best completely left avoided. So this is it for today what we had done. No trades as such, but yeah, you will see the kind of thoughts and the kind of planning that goes on inside my head. How do I look at these particular trades? And yeah, that's it. So we'll just remove these trend lines. They are insignificant for tomorrow. Now, if we look at the daily candle of Nifty, let's discuss what is the scenario and what all things can be. What always can Nifty go ahead from here? Now, see, Nifty formed a low around 21,970 or something, came up, formed a base, gave a good rally. took resistance from exact 23,800 levels, which we were anticipating. There were 2 days of red candle followed by this green candle. Now, this might mean that Nifty is planning to go sideways for some time. If the high of this candle is taken out, this might mean that this was a very small retracement. We are also seeing FII buying in cash over the last few days. Uh, so yeah, the momentum can be strong. The up momentum can be strong, and so the retracement would only be this particular small retracement. The Nifty can continue its upward journey. Or it can, again, this is today being an expiry day. This was the expiry move. And we again see Nifty continuing downwards for further retracement. Or we can see Nifty going up, then coming down, forming a double top formation, and then giving a breakdown of this particular level. Now, whatever are these scenarios, these are the only possible scenarios of Nifty moving, which can happen. It can either continue straight down from here, go sideways for quite some time, form a base like this again, then again give a breakout or a breakdown. So again, like I said, do not predict anything, but be prepared for anything. That should be the only thing that you should be doing in the current market scenario. Take each day on its own, trade per that particular day, and then you proceed from there. So now, if we look at the plan of action for tomorrow, again, I will the trend, the line that we had drawn around 50% fib levels, that is something which still holds for me. The low is hardly breached by a little bit. So if let's refine it a little bit, it will come down to almost the same level as in today's high. Yeah. So today's high was actually now again if you do the entire fib retracement, today's high was the 50% retracement. So we will move this line to today's high and we'll look for a long opportunity above this with a pullback. For short trades, I will still wait for this low again to be taken out. Or in case if we want to take an early trade, what we can also do is based on price action. See, try to understand the logic why I'm saying this. This is the fall. This is the 50% retracement. If it has to continue its downward journey, a lot will also depend on the opening tomorrow. Uh, so yeah, I would immediately say that let's look at a short trade only below today's low. That would be a good and confirmed trade. Nothing is confirmed in the stock market per se. Anything can happen anytime. But yeah, that is something that we can look at. So that's it from me for today. I hope I'm able to explain how I read prices and how I interpret the moves that are coming and how I plan my trades. In case if my videos are helping you guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and so put down anything that you might have, be it feedback, be it criticism in the comments box. I am welcome to both. So yeah, that's it from me for today. I will see you guys again tomorrow, and we'll have a lot more educative videos also. A lot is planned for this channel. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of those videos as well. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. This is your Nifty Guy signing off. Cheers. Have a good day. Thank you so much, guys.